Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nana. I hope everyone is well. So today I'm going to be decorating my outdoor space. It is a tiny little corner, but I like to make it comfortable for us whenever we spend time outside. We've had a lot of rain and wind the last few days, so the whole place is full of because from the wind, from the trees. So first I would like to clean it up, blow off all the poppy, tiny branches from the trees you see in the background. Then once I'm done with that, I try to dust the chairs because they get a lot of dust if I can put in the cushions. Is the fun part of self-recording, trying to pull this chair. My tripod is in the way, so anytime now everything might come crashing down, but I have to be careful. Okay, looks like we have that done. Maybe inventors should make a robot that can record and know when to move. When you don't have a personal assistant, you don't have a crew to help you shoot. That's now that the cushions are in. As you can see, it is still so plain, so it is time to decorate it, style it, add some color. That screams spring and summer like yellow. So in my yellow throw blanket, put it in. The fun thing with this is you can always take them out if you know that it is going to rain, or you know that the weather is not going to be as nice. You can stuff the pillows in this table in the middle, and the one in the corner I can put some blankets, pillows in there, or I can take them back in the house. The cushions in the chairs are weather resistant, so those always stay here, rain or shine. We only take them inside when we are ready for winter and we know that it is going to be snowing for the next couple months, so we are not going to use the outdoors much. Then we take them inside, but we normally leave the chairs out here because it's too much work taking them in and out. So we have, our deck is upstairs, so we would have to be lifting them down to the basement and then bring them up whenever winter is over. When I buy decor items, I try to get stuff that I can use both inside and outside, and I can always switch out. Saves the budget, and you can always have different things that you can use in different areas of the house. Adding flowers in any space will make the place look nice, so I just grab whatever I have. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. And then in the spring, like right now, I just got a couple branches from from the flowering trees that we have in the yard, and then that makes a flower arrangement. It doesn't have to be anything that I have to buy. You use what you have to make what you want, and that's how we operate here. So this is a cherry blossom that I just went and got some branches and stuck them in the flower vase, and there we have a good flower arrangement. It might not last as long because they wither fast, but for the time they are there, they are nice, and they serve the purpose. So yeah, you can see up close, it is nice. We'll get us some bees. All done here. This is how it all turned out. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed, leave me a comment, turn your notification bell on so you can know whenever I post another video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.